Okay, gentlemen. So now I'm going to brief you about your next test, that is adaptability test 2. अब हम आपको आपके adaptability test 2 के बारे में ब्रीफिंग देंगे. जितने भी कैंडिडेट्स adaptability test 1 को क्वालिफाई कर चुके हैं, ये टेस्ट उनके लिए होता है. In this test, you will be provided with a sheet of paper, जो भी आपको प्रोवाइड कर दी गई है. You will be given a 5-minute time to read that paper, and then after 5 minutes, that sheet will be taken back from you. 5 मिनट का समय आपको मिलेगा उस शीट को पढ़ने के लिए. जो भी टॉपिक उसमें लिखा है उसके बारे में आपको पढ़ना है अच्छे से. देन प्रॉपर जो ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग होती है आइडियाज़ की, उस 5 मिनट के अंदर आपको सारे बुलेट पॉइंट्स रेडी रख लेने हैं. आफ्टर 5 minutes, when the sheet will be taken from you, each one of you will be allotted a 1 minute time to give you introduction and to give you the narration on the topic given to you. 5 मिनट के टाइम के बाद जब शीट आपसे वापस ले ली जाएगी, फिर आप सबको 1 मिनट का समय मिलेगा खुद का इंट्रोडक्शन देने के लिए और नरेशन करने के लिए. Am I clear to you? Shall we start the procedure? Okay.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ravindra Singh. I belong to Badmer, Rajasthan. I have completed my intermediate from Rajasthan board with 90% marks. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation from Jainanand Vyas University, Jodhpur. My strength is carrying positive attitude and self-motivate. My hobbies are reading to books and listen to music. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is so full of adventure, pride and satisfaction. Touch the sky with glory. This motto in itself enough reason to join this branch of armed forces. Let's talk about topic, and today's our topic is corruption. Corruption literally means by corrupt conduct. In India, it is a big issue and it is also shameful for us in every field of our society. Corruption is present, and corrupt conduct. Most of politicians in Indian are corrupted. But truth is different. Every citizens also involved in this shameful corruption. If we want to reduce corruption, then we work on education, and then we improve our education system. With the education, we can remove this.
Next.
Hello and good evening, everyone. My name is Aditya Pandey. I am from Sultanpur, which is famous for Yamuna River. My hobbies are singing and playing cricket. If I talk about my qualification, I have done my 12th in 2018, and now I am pursuing graduation from Awadh University. Now, come to my aim. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since childhood. To accomplish this dream as well as to serve our nation, I want to join Air Force. Today I am here to give my opinion on the topic. The topic is corruption. Corruption is a big phenomena on the global level, but in India, it is on high peak. Everyone knows corruption is the major problem, and everyone are getting salary from their work, but everyone want more and more because everyone want more and more money, and the big problem behind this is our population. If thousands of people are quarrel for one job, there is definitely in this job is corruption is happen.
Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Akhilesh. I am from Bihar. I have completed my 12 and now I am pursuing BSc. Playing cricket, reading books, and also watching defense is my hobby. I want to join Indian Air Force as a airman to serve our nation and financially support my family. Today we will discuss on corruption in India. Corruption in India is a big issue that creates a bad reputation in the world, and also directly or indirectly affect Indian economy and also government agency. A study conducted in 2005 give report more than 92% Indians give bribe to take a job, and also thank you.
Next.
Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Nikhil Kumar Prajapati. I belongs to Uraj district, Jalon, UP. Currently, I am pursuing BSc in Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. I have done my 12th in 2020. I like to play cricket and chess. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a respectful job in our society and fulfill our dream. Now I am discuss our GD topic is corruption. India faces many problems. One of them, corruption. True test of democracy is full employment and social service. Is called Radhakrishnan. Thank you. Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Saurabh. I belong to Pratapgarh. I have done class 12 from Government College Prayagraj. Now I am pursuing Bachelor of Science from Mr. Saderi College. In extracurriculum activities, I have done NCCC certificate. My hobbies are reading novel as well as photography also. And I want to join Indian Air Force because I am passionate about this uniform. It's my dream and my father dream also, as well as I want to serve my nation. Now I am going to discuss about our topic. As we all know that our topic is corruption. In rank of India, corruption at least 78, and there are so many people like in a higher post to lower post to higher post, they take a bribe. That is called corruption. Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Anand Kumar Shukla. I live at Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for Kumbh Mela. Currently, I am pursuing BA from State University. I have done my 12th. I am innovative and energetic. My hobby is to play indoor and outdoor games, and I am also interested to visit historical places. My dream is to join Indian Air Force. It has been my dream for a very long time to serve the nation with pride and financially support my family. It is proud to make it better and take from it knowledge and wisdom. Let's about the topic. Today our topic is corruption. Corruption is transactional all over the world. Let in India, corruption is not very well in India because this is the main root for any biggest problem for economic status.
A very good afternoon to everyone present here. My name is Naman Singh and I belongs to Uttar Pradesh Prayagraj. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Prayagraj and currently pursuing Bachelor in Business Administration. My hobbies are singing and sketching and I have a fascination of the fighter aircraft from my childhood. That's why I joined to Indian Air Force. If I talk about my topic, our topic is on corruption. So corruption is like a cancer for any country. If this cannot be treated, then it will directly affect the development of that particular country. So for that, each and every sector which was indulged in the corruption should be corrected, and it will definitely motivate the upcoming youth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vikash Kumar Shukla and I live in Prayagraj. I have done my 12th and currently I am pursuing BSc from Allahabad Degree College. In my free time, I like watching movies and playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because this is a respectful job in our society and my childhood dream too. Now the given topic is corruption. Corruption in India is a major problem for us, and by corruption, any country loses its improvement. To reduce and eliminate corruption in India, we have to make our system transparent. As we all know, the corruption in India is everywhere, in every field, like sports, education, entertainment, and all of these. Thank you.
Next.
Good evening, gentlemen. I am Rahul Ishad. I am from Uttar Pradesh at Prayagraj, which is known as Sangam City. Currently, I am pursuing graduation Bachelor of Art. I have done my class 12 in 2019 from UP Board. My hobby is playing cricket. My aim is to become an airman because duty, dress, discipline always attract me to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to narrate the topic, and topic is corruption. So if we see the corruption, so corruption is everywhere. Like we see in the education, we see in examination, we can see in any department. So if we want to remove it, so for that we should aware about our fundamental rights. We have rights to raise our voice. If we will not raise voice, so how we will make aware about the people what they are doing wrong. So thank you.
Hello friends, I am Ritesh Misra from Sultanpur, Uttar Pradesh, which is known for Victoria Manjil. Now I am pursuing my graduation Bachelor of Science from University of Allahabad. I have done my class 12th in 2020 from State Board. My hobbies are playing badminton, reading books and gardening. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am always passionate about it, and I want to serve my country. Today let's come to the topic corruption in India. Corruption in India is a major problem, and we can overcome by this to raise our voice. And also the government has taken many initiatives like Jan Dhan Yojana and one nation one ration. Many of things which is going to directly benefit to the needy persons, and it is good for us, and it would improve the corruption rate in India. And I think we should also take initiative about it, and we should raise our voice beyond that. Thank you.
Jai Hind everybody. My name is Mukul Yadav. I am from Azamgarh district in Uttar Pradesh, the birthplace of great poet Rao Sanskrityan and Kafi Azmi. I am pursuing BSc from Allahabad University. I am an NCC cadet. I want to join Indian Air Force as I want to serve my nation in uniform and financially support my family. Today we are going to discuss about the topic corruption. Corruption stops the development of any country. Nowadays it is can see frequently in the countries like India. In India, corruption reaches every nook and corner in our system, which prevent the benefit provided by central government to reach to the common people. Government make a scheme like Jan Dhan Yojana by which they easily connect the common people towards the central government, by which the help offered by the central government easily reach towards the common people. Thank you.
Okay, gentlemen. So by this, we conclude the first part of adaptability test 2. Did you guys enjoy the process? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So enjoyed it, okay. So how was your performance according to you? It was good? Yes, sir. Was it good? Yes, sir. Okay. So now we'll proceed to the next part. अब हम next part की तरफ बढ़ेंगे, which is GD. GD, that is group discussion. We'll discuss on the same topic. You have to put forward your thoughts, whatever you think about this topic, whatever you know about this topic. But remember, this is a discussion, not a debate. So try to maintain the decorum of the discussion because we are the officers here assessing you. Okay? Am I clear? Yes, sir. हम लोग इस पर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करेंगे. आप लोग के पास जो भी शीट आपको प्रोवाइड की गई है उस टॉपिक पे आप लोगों को ग्रुप डिस्कशन करना है. जो भी आपके थॉट पॉइंट्स है, आपका ओपिनियन है, इसके सामने आपको रखना है. ये ध्यान रखते हुए कि एक डिस्कशन है, डिबेट नहीं. यहाँ पे सबकी राय थोड़ी अलग हो सकती है, तो हम लोग को इस बात का ख्याल रखना है कि बहस नहीं करनी है. अच्छे से फॉर्मल जैसे दोस्तों में डिस्कशन होता है, बट इसको फॉर्मल रखते हुए हम लोग को डिस्कशन करना है. क्लियर है? रेडी हैं आप लोग? हाउस द जोश? ओके, स्टार्ट योर डिस्कशन.
Corruption is not only local but it produces on a high social position because when talking about in education there are poor families and he is not able to afford expenses of education, but there are many schemes to reduce corruption by all governments.
I agree on your point of view, my friends. According to my opinion, the mediocre between the central government and the common people are the main reason of corruption. So we need to reduce this mediocre. So government have to make a scheme like Jan Dhan Yojana by which they easily connect common people to central government, by which central government easily give them help.
Yes, I am agree with it. I am agree with it. And India GDP is decreasing day by day. It's decreasing 1%, and India GDP is decreasing 1%, and the 1% GDP is decreasing. It is going to abroad, and also India's government has taken initiatives to improve it, and CBC has launched a day 8 November anti-corruption day. And also on that day, the world used to take initiative against
Corruption is the main problem of poverty, lack of education and population.
Yes, I agree on your point. My friend, population is the main reason of corruption because there are not many.
Main decision is to absolutely right. If we want to remove the corruption, so for that we should raise our voice. If we raise our voice, so we make aware of the people that what's going on wrong.
I agree on your point of view, friends. It's not responsibility of government to reduce corruption, but it's also our responsibility. We should not have to give bribe for our work, and we have also raised a voice if we see anyone give bribe to do his work.
Yes, I think that peoples are only the reason for the corruption because we are the initiators of the corruption. We want to sort out the problem, and for that we give bribe to the administrative block, and we used to start the problem. And by that the officers are being corrupted. If we don't do this, then this is not going to. And also the consequences of corruption is not going to be good. We know very well that corruption is not a good thing in India, and only because of corruption, India GDP is decreasing by year over year, and so I think the corruption should be stopped by.
Okay, gentlemen, are you enjoying the process?
Yes, sir.
I have one information to give to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you interested?
Yes, sir.
The information is that only 2 minutes are left in this discussion, and I just got an order that I have to select only 3 cadets from you. Am I clear? Yes, sir. Only 2 minutes are left in this discussion, and only 3 cadets from you will be selected. So you have got, each one of you have got 2 minutes to participate, and only 3 of you are going to get selected. Am I clear? Yes, sir. Start your discussion again.
We should not give pride to the Oscars by which they will not be accepted, and I think that is not a good point. And corruption, the consequences of corruption is going to be not good for India and also for our.
I think the government need to make all its scheme very clarified to the common people, by which the mediocre were reduced and all the help were reduced towards the common people.
Yes, we have to face all the problems whatever we have. But we don't have to give any bribe to any officer or any administrative block only because of that by which the corruption can be stopped, and we have to get down the process. So whatever is going on, we have not to sort out the problem and to give the bribe to all the officers. Thank you.
Stop. Your time is up now. Are you satisfied with your performance?
Yes, sir.
Was it good?
Yes, sir.
Was the topic interesting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are all satisfied with your performance, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in my opinion, all of you did a very good job. You all need to work on your vocabulary skills, especially when you were most of you couldn't complete your 1 minute introduction and narration. So work on that. Narration part should be strong. You should be confident while speaking, and during GD, prepare and maintain a proper eye contact with everybody. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And especially your body posture. ज़्यादातर लोग इसमें लीन बैठे हुए हैं. अपने बॉडी को स्ट्रेट रखिए, कॉन्फिडेंस शो करिए. ओके? एनी डाउट्स? नो सर. ओके, थैंक यू जेंटलमैन.